Your future won't change in one day, but one day can change your future. Everyone wants to study for 8 hours straight, but nobody talks about the power of just 30 minutes. 30 minutes of pure focus. 30 minutes where your phone is away, where your mind is quiet, where you finally show up for yourself. Success doesn't start with long hours. It starts with small promises, tiny wins. Little moments where you choose discipline instead of comfort. Do this daily and something begins to change. Your brain becomes sharper, your confidence increases, your study stamina grows. 30 minutes turn into 60. 60 becomes 2 hours. 2 hours become 5. You don't become a topper in one leap. You build it slowly, consistent, quiet, unnoticed. And one day you look back and realize the 30-minute rule didn't just improve your marks, it rebuilt your identity. Just 30 minutes today, your future self is waiting.